hey, Phil.
Hey, Dad.
You know, we just replaced the toilet in your bathroom.
Yep.
What do you think we ought to do with that thing? The old one.
Target practice.
Go shoot it.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do it. But we can't just shoot it. We got to make a scientific experiment out of it, don't we?
Seems about right.
Okay. How about an air gun, a pellet rifle versus the Ruger 204?
Ooh.
Sound
Pellet gun
good?
just might do it.
You think?
Maybe.
Is that your hypothesis?
Yep.
I say the 204.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay, let's go. Well, we're going to take John shooting with us today. We've set out a little tarp here with kind of a grid on it. It's actually the bottom of a swimming pool at Lake. We have Phil setting up his camera and going to film this in about 60 frames per second. We'll see what we can capture with that. 100 feet per second, 14 grains. We'll see what it does to this toilet bowl. A little mark on it. You can see we put a little lead mark on it. Okay, we're going to try the 204 right now. We got a New England Firearms single shot break open. What I'm going to shoot is Hornady 40 grain VMAX boat tail. These are 40 grain, 27.5 grains of IMR 4895. The VMAX looks about like this. This is going almost 4,000 feet per second. 3,725 feet per second is what these babies are clocked at. So that's a lot of energy. Not a lot bigger bullet than a pellet. Maybe double the size and weight. But we'll see what happens now.
Just let me get over your shoulder.
Okay, Phil's gonna give a try at this. 204 on the toilet. Another hypothesis?
I think it's definitely gonna break it. Destroy it.
Definitely.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna give it a shot.
This is a Colt Woodsman, purchased by my father in about 1947. And now my son that just turned, how old?
16.
16. I think my dad bought that. How old was he in 47? Anyway,
Yeah.
about your age maybe.
Wow.
So let's shoot it. Let's see what happens.
Ready. Oh, there we go. It did pretty good.
It did real good. All right. Good shooting.
Thank you.
We put a tarp down, we shot the toilet, we had a lot of fun, but we're going to clean up the range after ourselves. We don't want to leave a lot of trash out here for other people to get cut on or whatever. But please, always clean up the range once you're done.